Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to reset the network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find General Management. Now let's scroll down to find the reset, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Right now your device is informing you that it will reset the network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. If you've got any kind of screen lock, then enter it. And here we've got also the information that this action cannot be undone. Just tap on reset if you're ready, and as you can see we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.